Mr. Cow is on site now. Make you wow no matter how. Today, we're going to learn family members and I love you song in Mandarin. Are you excited? Let's go!
Hello everyone! Welcome to Shan's channel. This is my helper, Mr. Cow.
Hello guys.
Hello Mr. Cow. Welcome. Are you ready to learn Mandarin with us? Let's get started. Mr. Cow, do you know what the first word we learned in this world is?
Haha, that's so easy. It's moon.
No, Mr. Cow. I'm talking about human being in general.
Let me see. Is that mom?
Yes, it is mom. Mom has a similar pronunciation as the one in Mandarin. Mama. Say mama.
Mama.
Good job. Mama.
Mama. Oh, how about that in Mandarin?
Is 爸爸.
Oh, that sounds like my friend Black Sheep. Baba.
It's slightly different. 爸爸.
Baba.
Good job. 爸爸.
Baba.
Mr. Cow, do you have an older brother?
Yes, I do. His name is Peter.
Oh, but do you know, in Chinese culture, for people who are older than us, we're not allowed to call their names. So, older brother in Mandarin is 哥哥.
Interesting. I need to call Peter Ge in China.
Yes, that's right. 哥哥.
Ge.
Awesome. 哥哥.
Ge.
Amazing. Let's move on. Do you know how to say older sister in Mandarin? It's 姐姐.
It's so hard.
It's okay, Mr. Cow. Let's slow down. 姐姐.
姐姐.
Much better. Again, please. 姐姐.
姐姐.
Great. Let's continue. Younger brother in Mandarin is 弟弟. Say 弟弟.
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 Where does that sound come from? Wake up, Mr. Cow, please.
Oh no, it's alive. It's so embarrassing. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Mr. Cow. I know it's challenging to learn the new language, but you will get better and better through all this fun. You can do it. So the last word we're going to learn is younger sister, 妹妹. Follow me, please. 妹妹.
妹妹.
Great. Again, please. 妹妹.
妹妹.
Now we're going to learn a song that will help you practice all the words we've learned today. It's called 我爱你.
我爱你.
That means I love you. I is 我, love is I, you is 你. Say 我爱你.
我爱你.
Perfect. 我爱妈妈.
我爱妈妈.
我爱爸爸.
我爱爸爸.
我爱哥哥和姐姐.
我爱哥哥和姐姐.
和 means and. That means I love older brother and older sister. Now let's put the music on and sing this song with me slowly. 我爱妈妈，我爱爸爸，我爱哥哥和姐姐，我爱妈妈，我爱爸爸， 我爱弟弟和妹妹。Now, do you guys learn how to sing this song? Let's follow Mr. Cow and sing it one more time. There we go.
我爱妈妈，我爱爸爸，我爱哥哥和姐姐。我爱妈妈，我爱爸爸，我爱弟弟和妹妹。
Bravo! Alright, boys and girls. Now, let's play a game with Mr. Cow and see how many words he remembers. So, Mr. Cow, please tell me the word in Mandarin when you see the finger puppet. Are you ready?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's do it.
爸爸，妈妈，
Great job! How about next one?
哥哥，
Yes, that's older brother. How about younger brother?
弟弟，
Amazing. Okay, last one.
姐姐。
Is that older sister?
Yes.
Great. How about younger sister in Mandarin?
妹妹。
Brilliant. Awesome. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below this video or let me know what else you would like to learn in Mandarin.
If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a like. Remember,
Shan will make you shine.